Namaste students. Today we will see rearrange the sentence with coherent order. For that, first let's see what is meant by coherent. Coherent means consistent or connected. In other words, it is which is going in a flow, same way or in proper order. Coherent sentence. Words are correctly arranged so that ideas correctly convey the intended meaning. Let's see the example. Being an excellent lawyer, I'm sure you can help us. We can say this in some more clearer way. That is, as you are an excellent lawyer, I'm sure you can help us. So the below sentence is conveying easily. This is coherent sentence. How to know whether a text is coherent? A text is coherent when it makes sense. It makes sense when we can understand what the text is about. We can translate it. We can paraphrase it. We can summarize it. We can explain the meaning to someone else. Let's see an example for coherent paragraph. There are three qualities that I need to see in a good friend. A good friend should not tell lies. I need to trust him so that I can talk to him. A good friend should be there when I need him. I should be able to find him near me when I am in a bad mood or when I have a problem. When necessary, he should criticize me so that I can change my undesirable behavior or see where I am wrong. These three qualities are the basic properties in a good friend. From this para, we can understand that it is saying about the qualities of good friends, right? Every sentences are connected with each other, so we can understand it easily. Let's compare two paragraphs so that you will understand some more good. First para, it is with very poor coherent. The industry has many advantages. It can draw on a great deal of research. It can also export products to key trading partners. It has significant growth potential in the medium to long term. Workers within this industry need training. It is important to keep staff up to date with software used in this industry. Next, we will see the coherent paragraph, which is having very good coherent. The industry has many advantages. It can draw on a great deal of research, particularly in terms of strategies used for entering new markets. While there is significant growth potential in the medium to long term, it is clear that workers within this sector need training. Therefore, it is important to keep staff up to date with software used in this industry. So, here both paragraphs are saying about same thing, but the second paragraph with strong coherence is easily understandable and easily conveying the things they want to say. So simply, coherence means the way a text makes sense to readers and right through the relevance and accessibility of its configuration of concept, ideas and theories. Now let's do some activities. Here, some sentences are given. Rearrange the words to form complete meaningful sentences. They are in disorder. You have to arrange them in correct order so that you will get a proper sentence. First one is done for you. Very is hot it. Is it very hot? Like that, you have to do the remaining sentences. Again, here also you are going to rearrange the sentence to get the correct meaning. Now, unscramble the sentence and make it coherent. Here, the given sentences are in scramble. So, when you arrange it in proper order, you will get a meaningful sentence. For example, let's see the first one. It how is much. How much is it is the correct order. Like that, you have to finish the all. Now, write 7 sentences about your ambition and how you are going to work for it. You have to write in proper order, which will convey your ideas easily so that anyone who reads will get easily about it. Thank you.